everyone, and welcome to Sweetpea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney, and today we are going to learn how to do the floated rope stitch, which is a 2-row repeat, and how we are going to attain the ridge or the rib and the floats are by knitting 2, and then to do the floats we are going to slip 2 with our working yarn in the front. And I will show you how to do that in this tutorial, but I'll kind of explain it a little bit here. So we are going to slip 2 stitches to get our floats with our working yarn in the front as to purl. So it's going to be very similar to as if we were about to purl, but we're not actually purling those stitches, we are just slipping them. And then you are going to want to cast on any multiple of 4. I have a 16 here. And then you want to add 2 extra stitches to keep our pattern going, because if we did not add those 2 extra stitches, we would leave off with a slip 2 with our working yarn in the front, and it might add or mess with our tension and our edges as well. So we add those 2 extra stitches to keep in uniform. So for the first row repeat, which is going to be on the front side of our work, we are going to start off by knitting 2. So go ahead and knit 2. So 1 and 2. So now to do our float stitches, we are going to bring our working yarn to the front. So now it's going to look as if we are going to purl those stitches, but we're not. We're going to slip 2 stitches as to purl. So instead of if we were to go in like we're knitting, that's not how we're going to slip our stitches. We're going to slip our stitches as if we were to purl. So go into that front loop as if to purl. So slip 1 with our working yarn in the front and slip the second one. Now we are going to knit 2 stitches, and then again we are going to slip. Did I say slip 2 stitches? I meant knit 2 stitches. So now we are going to slip 2 stitches as if to purl with our working yarn in the front. So again, here is our yarn, our working yarn, as if we were about to knit. We're going to flip it over to the front side of our work and go ahead and slip 2 stitches. And that is the repeat unit. Very simple. So go ahead and continue repeating that until you have made it to the end of your row. Again, go ahead and knit 2, slip 2 as to purl, but making sure that your working yarn is in the front of those stitches. So 1 and 2, and go ahead and continue repeating that. Now when you get to the very last 2 stitches, you should knit both of those stitches, or you should leave off with a knit 2. So 1 and 2. And now for our second row repeat, we're going to go ahead and turn our work, and very simple, we are going to go ahead and purl in each stitch. So go ahead and purl in each stitch. Again, this is a very simple stitch pattern, and I'm going to finish off this row real quick, and that will be the end for this tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. But I also have other knitting tutorials along with crocheting and Tunisian crocheting if you would like to check those out as well. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you for the next one.